in the PGT1, I start with a simplest obstacle, and the aim where is what? To shake down the group into a unified working group. And the simplest thing is, since now you cannot walk on ground, I have created structures. So you will be making use of those structures. And the easiest way is to reach from one structure to another structure is by bridging. So in this case, since this is the simplest, you will be able to directly bridge, isn't it? So wherever you go in PGT1, do not waste time creating half bridges in the PGT1 itself. You should straight away go for the direct bridging. Now if you see, there will be 2 to 3 approach for you. Some of the structures on the left, some on the right. The entry of the task or the obstacle will have a wide entry of structure. So if you see the first structure, it is a wide structure where most of you will be able to come and stand. So make use of that, so that most of you are able to come and start executing the ideas and complete the task. And this being simplest, you should not take more than 3 to 5 minutes. What the G2 is doing when you are doing the obstacle is doing those observation, ranking, rating kar rahe hain. So you have to see that you should not be staying behind. अगर कुछ लोग आगे काम कर रहे हैं, you also try to be amongst them, at least participate, do something and do not stand, just keep standing like this. जैसे आधा लोग वैसे खड़े थे. So what happens the moment you are doing that, you are behind in that ranking part. So be active. What will be the difference between the 1 and 2? Difficult level. And to make it little difficult than the previous one, what will I do is, what I have done is, the distances between the structures will now be more than the length of plank. More than 4 feet तो हर जगह होगा, क्योंकि less than 4 feet होगा तो क्या होगा? Light monkeys will keep jumping and cross, isn't it? But I have denied you that ease. Otherwise it becomes easy. I am not able to see anything. Now since the distances have increased more than the length of the plank, now you will have to do what? No, now you will have to reduce the distance between the structures. And for reducing the distance, you will create half bridges, isn't it? अब आपको half bridges बनाने पड़ेंगे. Create the half bridges in the PGT2, and the difficulty level is increasing progressively. I'll keep these requirement of those half bridges, and the requirement of half bridge is what? You need a support and you need a back support. So ये जो parts कुछ तो आपको structure में ही मिल जाएंगे. Out of these two, support and back support, दोनों में से एक आधा होगा जो structure में ही होगा, और दूसरा आपको create करना पड़ेगा. और उसको create करने के लिए आपके पास क्या है? Rope and bully. So if you look at these two things, rope and bully, they both can create both. In PGT2, since it is going to be not very difficult, either of these will be very, very obvious and simple to identify. कि अच्छा यहाँ आराम से प्लैग रख सकते हैं और यहाँ बांध सकते हैं या बल्ली फंसा सकते हैं. Clear? For which I have kept these 3 approaches for you. One is to help you. आपके पास 3 आइडियाज है, एक नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो दूसरे में चल पड़ो. दूसरा, I am also creating confusion in the group, because now either if the group doesn't agree to follow one approach, some will want to go this way, some will want to go this way. So now how you cooperate as a group and follow one approach. Fine? And what will be common between these 3 approaches? Very good. The difficulty level will be similar. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Difficulty level का मतलब yes, the ideas required on all these 3 structures will be almost similar. So if one is available out of those support, back support, इन तीनों में वो one available होगा और दूसरा वाला आपको create करना पड़ेगा. Fine? Now let's see as to how you are going to apply these ideas. Now if you look at the first structure which is there at the entry, that is giving you option to go on all 3 directions. Isn't it? तो एक तो सिंपल जैसे आप लोगों ने प्लैंक बांधा था, और दूसरा और क्या तरीका हो सकता है, कैसे आप बांध सकते हैं so that you are able to cross. Now if you look at the shape of the structure, it will give you those ideas. हर स्ट्रक्चर में जो भी बना होगा वो खुद ही आपको क्लू देगा कि वो किस काम में आने वाला है. तो जैसे वो आपको दिखता है, you could have known कि okay, so I can tie the rope here and create my high bridge and move to the next. Fine. Now PGT2 is such where the difficulty is not so much that you have to reuse all three. अगर आपने सिर्फ एक ही इस्तेमाल करके, बिकॉज एक तो ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है, और क्या अवेलेबल है? नो बैक सपोर्ट अवेलेबल. So after ratio, another thing you have to keep in mind is the height differential, and then the other third thing which you have to be very particular about is the right choice as to which is more appropriate, balli or rope. So do not, whenever you approach any structure for any idea, your thought process अगर ये बिल्कुल एक तरीके से आप सोचेंगे, you'll be able to do it. Do not do anything hit and trial. वहाँ जाके अच्छा ये बांध दिया, अच्छा ये रख दिया. That shows that you don't have the ideas. You just somehow achieve the task by hit and try. So for that, hit and try should be in your mind. Once you're sure, okay, this is how I'm going to do it, then take that initiative, go and execute. Right? Because execution again is going to reflect on which of your factor? The right execution will reflect on which factor? Factor 1, the right execution. Isn't it? Your practical intelligence, your resourcefulness. So once you decide things, execute, that shows that you have some practical sense and you are able to execute things in a better way. अब जो अगली चौथी चीज है जो अपने दिमाग में रखना है is the process. What I call as process. Process का मतलब कि कब क्या करना है. Now you will agree that whosoever is going for SSB, everybody is taking the guidance, coaching, ideas, number of apps are available on YouTube and so many videos are there. So there is no dearth of as to how to apply the ideas. But what matters is the execution. The people who are able to remember the process कि कब क्या करना चाहिए. The people who are in control of the situation, the presence of mind. अब ये जो मैं आपको बातें बता रहा हूँ, ये सारा कुछ क्या इंडिकेट करता है? The right thought process, the right mannerisms and right ideas. अब ये कौन से लोग होंगे जो यहाँ पे आगे आ पाएंगे? Who has the right rapport in the group? So when he wants, people are not denying them that opportunity. He is able to create that opportunity and come. Nobody is stopping them. Understood? तो ये पूरा process, idea सब लगाएंगे. Most of the people will have these basic ideas क्योंकि हर जगह लोग सीख के आ रहे हैं. But the one who is in more control of the situation, his presence of mind कि अब क्या होना चाहिए, कितने लोग जाना चाहिए, अब exactly कौन से helping material को इस्तेमाल करें, ये है which will make you effective in the group. Understood the difference between a normal application of ideas and how you are in absolute control of the overall situation. क्योंकि अभी यहाँ गए, okay gentlemen, please pass the plank. Now we are going to create. Okay fine. Now let's create the reverse bridge. Okay, so now this way all of you will be able to cross. The moment you create that, GTO will अपने आप ही वो बता देंगे. Okay, so gentlemen, how many can cross? जब आपने ये बना दिया, now how many can cross? Who will be behind? All can cross. So where will be the last person now? Here. So now the moment the last person is here, that means now you have to create bridge from. तो इस प्रोसेस को आपने अच्छे से रख के और पूरे ग्रुप को साथ में लेके चल के और एग्जीक्यूट करना सीखना है. एंड रिमेंबर, PGT2, it will be very easy to generally understand as to which one is available, support, back support and how to create. Fine?
अगर देश की वर्दी पहनना है आपका भी सपना, तो आपकी मंजिल तक पहुंचाने के लिए सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी है आपके साथ. जो है डिफेंस एग्जाम्स की सफलता में एक भरोसेमंद नाम। यहाँ आपको मिलता है बेस्ट मेंटर्स का मार्गदर्शन, रेगुलर क्लासेस, एक्सटेंसिव स्टडी मटेरियल, एक्सपीरियंस्ड एसएसबी एक्सपर्ट से ट्रेनिंग, लार्जेस्ट जीटीओ ग्राउंड, वीकली मॉक टेस्ट और रेगुलर डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लासेस जैसी कई सुविधाएं, ताकि आपकी डिफेंस प्रिपरेशन हो पूरी A to Z। तो फिर देर किस बात की है? सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी वेलकम करती है हर उस एस्पिरेंट को जिसने देखा है सपना देश सेवा और रक्षा का। अभी एनरोल कीजिए हमारे कोर्सेज में और टॉप AIRS की तरह ही दीजिए अपनी मेहनत को एक विनिंग बूस्ट।